I think number one thing is that there are things that we can't do at every level. However, I say take care of yourself first. And once again, using that ecological model, the center is you. So scientifically, psychologically, we know that like the center has to be stable for the rest to follow. So that is one. Number two is that burnout is work related things. So like when you talk about burnout with the other nurses, also kind of like, think about, like, for example, in the ICUs, like the unit that you're working in, look around and see what we can do. Like we can't change the funding line, but we can do other things. Like, like I don't know where you work, so it's hard to, but so start with the local level. And my last and final is that reach out to others. I think that there are so many of us that are suffering. And you could ask me the question like, but we're all suffering. But sometimes the collective resilience, when you come together, even when you and I both are hurting, if we share, we could do more things. So I believe in the power of collectiveness. And I think for us, our profession centers around humanity and the shared emotions and shared power. And I truly believe that we can do this better. And I don't think burnout will ever be eliminated, and stress will never be eliminated in life, but we can manage to a point where we could be the best we could be. And that's the goal. We are not here to get rid of burnout. That's never the end goal. It's just that we are suffering, and let's just reach out for other people.